Good morning. Today we're going to do some math. So I'm going to go to the next worksheet so you can look for it in your packet and we can do some problems together. Or I can give you some examples. So we're going to do lesson 2, activity 1. So let's make a set of 10 baseball bats in the dugout. So you're going to make a set of 10 baseball bats. You can just do little sticks in here. Okay, number 2. The Dodgers scored 4 runs in the second inning and 5 runs in the 9th inning. How many runs did the Dodgers score altogether? So let's count. You have 4 right here and 5. So count them both together and say, put your number here. So what number is this? Say it loudly. What's this number? Very good. Now, lesson 2, activity 1, problem 4. Put the missing symbol in the square. So it's greater than, less than, and equals to. And I have some examples here. Let me show you. Okay. So you see this one right here? 2 and 2? Those are the same numbers, right? So it's equal to. So it's an equal sign because they're the same. Now look at this one. 5 and 3. So right here, 5 and 3. Which is greater? The 5. So always remember that the big opening, this big opening right here, like you see over here where I put big and small, always remember that the big opening is towards the big number. So always make sure that the big opening right here, right there, is pointing towards the big number. And you see the little corner where it's pointing to the 3? It's the small side. So always make sure that you point it to the small number. The same thing here. You see the number 9? And number 6, which is greater, which is a bigger number? The 9. So the symbol goes with the opening, the big opening towards the big number. Okay, now let's try these. 10 and 5 and 5 and 2. Let me work on them and I'll show you in a bit. There we go. You see it? So you see how the big opening is facing the big number? Because 10 is bigger than 5. And what's bigger, 5 or 2? 5. So the big opening is towards the 5. And you see the small point? It's towards the 2 because it's smaller. So always remember this picture. The big number goes right, the big number goes right here, and the small one goes over here. So you do number 4. Now number 5. What's missing from the ABAB pattern? So what you can do is draw a line. Draw a line to what's missing. Once you're finished, you can take a picture and send it to me and I'll go ahead and upload it to Teams. If you have any questions, call me and I will be able to help you. Thank you.